What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Colorado Cars. For those of you who are going to comment and say that's why I get in accidents, I already know. Anyways, today we are going to go over every single modification that we have done to this 2019 Tesla Model 3. If you've already seen our previous videos talking about the modifications, that's great. You're going to hear some repeats, but we also have new stuff that we have just recently done. So let's start all the way up front. The first modification that I want to point out is this area right here. It was custom done. It was super expensive. If you're a Tesla owner and you want to get that done, let me know. I can personally take care of it for you, and I won't even charge you that much. Next thing you're going to notice is the whole front end is clear broad. That costs about $1,300. It's really hard to see, maybe a little easier because it's incredibly dirty. That includes the full front, the full bumper, the lights, the mirrors, and then the A pillars running up each side. Like I said, that was $1,300. They use Expel Platinum over there at Mile High Customs. Let them know that you're interested. Let's keep on moving around the side. This really isn't a modification, but I think these tires look so beefy that I love to point them out. These are Pirelli Soto 03s. They are high performance winter tires. They absolutely are the best things that I've invested in this car. Not only did I get around in our like 3-foot snowstorm the other day, but they just look great. They perform amazing. And I am never worried about braking in the snow. I mean, ice and snow, those things got you taken care of. These Pirelli Soto 03s are mounted on the OEM 19-inch stock wheels. I have those powder coated black here in Denver, Colorado at Colorworks Powder Coating. That ran us about $600. Completely worth it. There are so many Model 3s on the road now that having these in black, it just kind of changes the look up again. And then behind those wheels, you'll notice that the brake calipers are finished in red. Those were also powder coated. And I just think that completely adds an amazing look to this Tesla. It's kind of more of a performance base. That's what the performance looks like, except the wheels are gray. We kind of regret not getting the performance, but that will be coming in the future. So now let's talk about a planned modification. Just while we're on this side, all this trim is going to be blacked out when it goes in to get the insurance claim fixed. That's all going to be blacked out while it's in the shop. That includes all the trim, the mirrors. They completely take apart the mirrors, the door handles, pretty much anything that's satin aluminum right now is going to be done in a glossy or a flat black. We have not decided yet. Let's keep on going around the back. This is aftermarket. This is a T Sportline spoiler. It was $350 on sale. It completely adds to the look of the car. Again, like I said, it makes it look like more of a performance spec. And for those of you people who are gonna say I'm just trying to look like I have a performance, I am not. You don't see any performance badging on here. There's no line under there. I'm not trying to hide what I have. I'm very, very thrilled with this car. It's done in a gloss. You can also get it done in a flat carbon fiber, or you can get it done in black or white. Really, they customize it to whatever you're looking for. And then that's really it. Those are all the modifications, except one that you cannot see. The whole car was ceramic coated by Sigma Core here in Denver, Colorado. Let them know we sent you for a great deal. That basically keeps the car much cleaner, much shinier, especially right up here in this front bumper. It just keeps it looking good year round. And then when it comes time to wash it, all you have to do is spray it off. Next, let's talk about what we did to the Frunk. Okay, so long story short, when you used to pop the Frunk, it would just go up a little bit and you'd have to lift it yourself. That is still the case, unfortunately, because I bought $20 shocks off of Amazon. They don't work very good. Let's see if they'll perform for you guys right now. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Wow, they are feeling like performing today. So these guys right here, super easy to replace. All you do is pop that guy out, and stick the new spring in there. They are loaded and a little harder to push down, but that's just kind of obvious. The next thing that we did, and this is kind of just a cool little thing, just like the Mercedes-Benz, they have the Daimler signature in there. That's Elon Musk's signature. Kind of dorky, pretty nerdy. Wouldn't you say, Ryan?
I do think it is pretty nerdy. Tell them about your charger.
It is cool. I also have a hand-signed Elon Musk charger. That's why I added this guy to it, because the charger is hand-signed, and it's not one of the special like engraved one. It's literally signed by Elon Musk. Let's go into the inside. There's really not much to show you in here except for Ryan's drink cup, I guess. But if you go all the way in here, I've added a Tesla wireless charger, so all you have to do is set it right there and it starts wireless charging for you. It is completely unnecessary, and I honestly almost always forget to use it.
How quick is it?
It's very slow. Incredibly slow. And when I do remember to use it, every time I get out of the phone, I'm like, shit, I left my phone in the wireless charger. So then I have to go back, and it's a whole thing. I don't think it's worth it. It's cool. Now that the windows are open, you can see that they're tinted. The whole car all around is tinted at 15%. That means it lets 15% of the light in. That was done at Mile High Customs. Again, hit them up. They will give you a great deal. I'm trying to think. I think that is all that we've done to our Tesla Model 3 so far. We have more modifications on the way, like I said, and we will keep you updated. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to us. It means the world to us. We really are just doing this as a hobby, and the fact that we have subscribers in the first place is awesome. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. We do giveaways. We do a lot of cool things on this channel. A lot of people hate us too, and that always makes it fun. If you're looking for a good read, go to our comment section. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time. Have a great night.